Testing, testing, I can't see anything. Hey, there we go. Testing, testing. Do 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 do. I have lost my mind. Let's share the stream, share the stream. Hey, you're welcome. Yo, what's up, Code and Decides? Oh, didn't realize the live stream just started. Project ideas. I didn't just. Yeah, it just started, dude. But project ideas. Florin Pop has loads of them. He has a repository type. Look, I even put it in chat. One sec. Florin Pop project ideas. Do 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 do. Even one of my ideas are in there. Here you go, here you go, here you go. There you go. Bam. Yo, what's up, Mohammed? What's up, Code and Decides? What's up, everybody? I hope you're all doing well. We're gonna get properly into this in a second. I'm just sharing it everywhere, so you know everyone can come join us for this festive guy. I've got my Christmas jumper on. It's a Flash Christmas jumper, but it's a Christmas jumper. It's a bit itchy. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's fine. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Let's have a look. Cool. Let's get that out of the way. Let's set up over here. What are we looking at? I want a Christmas hat. Everyone's got Christmas hats. So people, ask me questions far away. Say what you want to say. I am just setting up this stream and we will be ready to go. Excuse me. Arcane, hello, Mr. Bot. My bot isn't doing its job. Yo, what's up, Liam? What's up, One Lonely Richard? Richard, your name. I can understand that one. Richard, hey, dude, what's going on, dude? Sorry, I'm terrible with names, so just don't judge me. Or judge me. Judge me however you want. Let's go through it. Hey, everyone. I am live. Live right now. Join us. Bam. Enter. Send. What do you mean Arcane reach level? Oh, I reach level 3. Level up. Can you make it on Supabase plus React? Tan, you've asked this before, dude. I haven't even learned Supabase yet. It's going to be a while, but I'll have a look into it, dude. I'll see what I can do, man. But it won't be anytime soon. I can't promise anything like that. YouTube videos. Hey, wait. Overseer just... Yo, Liam. Your bot is doing better than my own bot. My bot isn't even listening to me. Didn't even post in my chat. I had to post it myself. Come on, bot. What's going on? Yo, bud. Just doing a live stream. Yo. Alright, sorry. Hello, I'm back. Please tell me where I can learn React.js. I think I literally told... Why? Everyone's asking me the same question here if asked me already. React.js. You can go to reactjs.com, right? Or .org, right? And there's a get started or take the tutorial, right? Taking the tutorial, right, gives you this... I'm pretty sure... Yeah, it literally goes through everything you can do. It teaches you how to build a tic-tac-toe style... play a game. It's loads of things you can do. It has such a great tutorial here. Look, I'll put in the chat. Oh no, wrong chat. Cancel. Over it. Bam. There you go. There's that. Bam. You can learn React.js there, dude. What do you prefer, React or Vue? I prefer Vue.js, but, you know, people like React. So we need videos on React from you, Tyler. Mohammed, why is everyone asking for React? Listen, I do what I like to do, and React isn't what I'm enjoying at the minute. Vue.js is. But I'll do more React. I will. I'll cover everything. But, again, it just depends on what I want to do at the time, if that makes sense. I see a lot of people do want React, and React will be coming, but at the minute my main focus is building my own blog, which is Vue.js, so I kind of got to keep with my Vue.js flow. Hector, hi, good morning, good evening. Hey, what's up, Hector? Thanks, dude. Hey, you're welcome, Kane. Sassy said, hey, what's up, dude? React or we riot. We need more Fave videos, Tyler. Your present Fave vids are really, really good. Thank you, Harish. And that is something I can deliver on, because I will be delivering on some new Fave videos, hopefully before the new year. If not, in the new year. React or riot. Riot, I dare you to. Anyway, how is everyone doing? How is everyone's Christmas festiveness going? Is everyone excited, ready for Christmas tomorrow? Y'all ready for Christmas? Tyler, your current bitrate is slow. Shut up. I don't care, stream. As long as people can hear me and we can jam. Awesome news. Thanks. Hey, you're welcome. Are you working during Xmas? No, I am not working during Christmas. Tomorrow is my day off, so you won't even hear a peep out of me. Unless you have my private Instagram account, then you may see some photos. But otherwise, you won't hear a peep out of me. What are you saying here? Are you watching your... Oh, are you... I thought I said watch it. Hey, Tyler, how are you? I'm good, man. How are you, dude? A Happy New Year Eve. Wait, Happy New Year Eve? Did I fall asleep? Happy early Merry Christmas. Happy early Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy Christmas. I'm wearing my Christmas jumper. Wait, why is my camera off? My camera was off angle. I'm sorry. You all got Christmas jumpers on? I feel special. I have his private Instagram. You do have my private Instagram, so you will get to see some magical images. No one else will. Ooh. Anyway, fire your questions. You don't have to tell me Merry Christmas. I know you guys are happy and jolly. So you guys just tell me what you want me to ask you. Are you going to make something today? Am I going to make something today? I'm going to do Christmas cookies. I mean, I don't know if that jumper looks cozy, not going to lie. Yeah, I'm not going to lie to you, dude. It is so comfy. Look at the fluff, man. Look at the fluff. It is so good. It's a comfy-ass jumper. Are you going to make something today? Do you mean, am I going to code something, or am I just talking? Today is just a Q&A, if that's what you're asking. Or if you're asking me, am I doing anything today? I've done some work this morning. So, been working on my blog, been working on some other projects, been working on work, and working on work. Do you have Twitch? I do, Kane, but it's only for gaming, dude. It's called Potsy Games. But yeah, hi, Tyler. You live in England, right? Yes, I do. My question is, have you finally recovered from I hate you. I'm banning you. You're getting banned. Let me ban you! Son of a... I'll put you in a timeout. Don't you remind me of Baby Yoda. I don't want to talk about it. I want to talk about Baby Yoda. This is the way. This is the way. What games do you play? I played loads of games. Minecraft. Call of Duty and Minecraft, really, the only two games I really play. Nothing else at the minute. I might live stream some Minecraft over the festive periods. No, I won't. I don't know what. By the way, I say I play games on my Twitch. I don't even play games anywhere. Multiplayer Minecraft. Yeah, I have my own realm. Me and the boys play. Best practice when you work with Node, Express, and API. Okay, best practice with Node and Express. So... okay, well, you want to make sure you're using best practices. Tyler, you've been missing out on Among Us in the Discord. Oh, God. Okay, best practices with Node.js. Let's talk about Node. So Node is great. API, it depends what you're doing. You need to make sure you've secured all your endpoints. If you're building an API with it, with Express, you need to make sure you're using security. A web token is probably the best way. A JWT, JSON web token, are always really good to use. After you've got OAuth, you've got all the other ones you want to start using. Authentication is one of the biggest things for your endpoints if you need it. Some things you might have it open, that's fine, but you don't want to open it if you don't want anyone to use it, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's that. I'm probably going other things. What are the other best practices you can do? It's a broad question. It's really hard to answer on stream. I'll break it down in a video. We'll do a proper full-on Node, Express, and API sort of. We'll make our own API, and then we'll build a few front-end in a different video to actually use the API, if that's cool. What's your PC specs? PC? I don't have a PC. Why you gotta break my heart? I use my MacBook. Minecraft runs perfectly on my MacBook. It's like 400 frames per second. It's a beast. No, I just use my MacBook Pro that's why I don't play many games at the minute. And I also use my PS4 to stream as well. So you know, there's two. I'm probably getting a PS2 to play Burnout 3. Oh, Burnout 3 was the shiz, man. good choice of games. When you started to learn code, what was your first language? English. Sorry. Oh, I'm in a sarcastic mood. My first coding language. Well, when I first started learning, I was trying to hack games. So I was looking into C and all sort of programming languages. I looked into JavaScript as well at the same time, and I learned about web development, and I started learning HTML and CSS, and then JavaScript. So you could say JavaScript was my proper first language when I was learning to code. Burnout 3 is a legendary game. It is. Folder structure. Folder structure? Oh, God. I mean, I use the model view component, MVC approach. So I make sure everything has a model. So if we're using Mongo, you've got your schemas, Mongoose schemas. You've got your views, so all your views and export. I know there's an API, so it's harder. It's different that way. And then obviously all your MVC, model view components, right? Controller, model view controller. Oh my God, my brain. It's been so long since I've done Node.js. Yeah, so you've got your models, you've got your views, and you've got your controllers, right? So your controllers, obviously, all your functionality. So you create a function. Obviously, you've got to make sure you can always have middleware to secure that functionality. So you set up a middleware folder. And yeah, but that's how I go about it. Obviously, there's loads of different ways. For an API, I probably wouldn't. There wouldn't be much to it. There wouldn't be views. It would just be the models and the controllers, if that makes sense. When will you collab with other YouTubers? I don't know. I'm just not a very organized person. If I didn't have a full-time job and YouTube was my full-time job, then I probably would find time and I'd schedule everything. But the issue is, because I got a full-time job, I just got to fill it in and around the kids. You know how it is. What advice do you give to an inexperienced student? For web development, keep at it. Consistency is key. I promise you. You do the same things over and over again, you will become one of the best people at that in the field. So with me, when I learn, like, let's say Vue.js, when I want to do a YouTube video on a specific topic, I take that topic and I review it. I look at multiple different views, how everyone else does it. And just see how different things work. So you break it down. You look at the topic. So let's say we're looking at JavaScript, for example. You look at JavaScript. You see what the best practices are. You see what other people are doing. You want to break it down. You want to do it every single day. You want to make different projects every single day just to get better at it. You game on MacBook? For the time being. Yes. Or PlayStation 4. Only Minecraft on MacBook, because, Java Edition, Bedrock Edition sucks. So yeah, Minecraft. And because I don't have a PC anymore because it got broken. We won't talk about that. It makes me sad. Can your MacBook run Among Us? No, it can't, because Among Us sucks and it doesn't support a thingy port. I could run it, well, I can if I use like BlueStacks, but we won't talk about that. Seems like you are in a good mood. No, I'm not. I'm in a terrible mood. What are you on about? No, I'm in a great mood, man. It's Christmas tomorrow. Why can't I be in a great mood? Explain async await. Oh, I was just doing that earlier, and I'm not gonna lie, it grinds my gears. But so let's say you're using the fetch API. There's two ways to do it. You can use the .then, right? And .then is obviously just going to send you through. It's going to pass you back a response. And in the response, you can convert that into JSON. So you do response.json, return that, and then you do another .then, and then you've got your data. There's your data, the stuff what you've passed through from your response, what the response has sent you back. But you can skip all that by using async and await. But you need to create, let's say, an asynchronous function, right? Let's say what retrieves the promise. So you then call await. You create a variable name, let's say const data equals await, and then fetch. You do your fetch. You get that, and then when you return, you have to return your await and then get your async data. It's hard to explain. Basically, you get promises, right? So when you're fetching stuff, you're obviously waiting for network, and it's not going to be instant, whereas JavaScript isn't going to wait for it. So you need to create something that makes it wait for it. In a function, let's say you call a function, you're not going to be able to, if you put code underneath that function that uses the data from your fetch, that data isn't going to be arrived yet. So it's just going to say null, or whatever's returning, like a promise, which isn't good. So you've got a promise, but you need to actually turn that promise you need to wait for that promise to resolve. So that's where async and await come in. The asynchronous, obviously, you got async, which makes it asynchronous. It means it doesn't wait for the DOM. It's going through. It makes it asynchronous. And then you get the await, which means you're waiting for this to resolve a promise which you're returning, which you're fetching from your API. And then you can return the data from that. It's hard to explain without showing you, but yeah, basically it's just it basically allows you to bypass having to... it's hard to explain. So you bypass waiting for... Using async and await basically allows you to move your functions around. So you don't have to do it in a .then or .thing. So you don't have to keep it scoped within the fetch .then... what do you call it? Block. Which bundler do you prefer? I mainly use Babel. After Burnout 3, I also have to try Tony Hawk's American Wasteland and Underground. Ugh, yes, I do need a PS2, lol. I just love to... Yeah, I'll tell you what, mate. PlayStation 2 was the shiz back in the day. Best games. Tony Hawk, yes, great games. You had all to go. Burnout 3, yes. I learned the basics of JS, ES6, now starting with React Basics. Am I doing it right? Yeah, no, if you've learned the basics of JavaScript and ES6 and you want to move on, go for it, man. That's awesome. It's far away. Just want to say hello. Keep on the good work, Tyler. Love your channel, mate. Hey, thank you, Elad Bar. I hope I pronounced that right. If I don't, just punch me in the face. Async await is syntactic sugar for promises, right? Yeah. That's a much better way of explaining it. Will Node.js die now that we're getting Dino? Oh no, I hate Dino. I tried it once and I just prefer Node.js. It's just easier. I get there's a lot of benefits to Dino compared, especially security-wise, but no, Node.js won't die. There's so many things built on Node.js now, it can't die. It's like PHP. PHP will never die because so many things are built on it and they will continue to be built on it. I'm a bit worried about it as I really think Node is the cool the way it is. Exactly. It is cool the way it is, and that's what everyone else thinks, so that's why. Thank you, mate. You are welcome, Mirake? Oh, I'm sorry, I butcher names. Butcher names daily. Will company just drop using Node.js because of the new tech came? No, definitely not. You've got developers who are experienced in this tech. Then to drop that and to learn something new means you're going to have to take time. They're going to take time. They're going to have to invest in people learning Dino, getting up to date with Dino. It's just not going to happen. Companies won't do it. Dino's great, according to some people, but for me, I'm just not the massive fan. Async await feels like wait, then do this, no? Wait, then do this. Basically, yeah, just wait. It's not done. Wait. Ah, go, it's ready, go. That's what it does. That's all it does. That's just a guy stood, right? He waits. He sees this day coming. He goes, up. You can't go yet. They're not ready. Not right. No, wait. No. Ah, go. What are you standing there for? Go. Tyler's lost his mind. He's talking to the code. My new streaming ring light has came. Hey, Liam, nice one, dudes. I need to invest in a new one because as you can see, I'm using the global lighting of my room. It's not great. It takes it out of the event cycle. Yes, what Tom said. Yes. Let's go. It's your boy. What's everybody doing today anyway? What's everyone's plans for today? What is everybody hyping about? What are you guys getting presents? Do you guys do presents at Christmas? I can't wait to get socks. I'll tell you what, I'm running out of socks. If you get to the end of the year, right, and I have no more socks. They've been worn too much. They're all ripped, and you're like, okay, well these all got to go in the bin. I'm gonna have to buy some more. South Park. Wait, South Park. South Park? Event loop. Sorry, wait, Tom. It takes it out of the event cycle loop. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, loop cycle, same thing, basically. Do you remember the buzz on Twitter when Dino dropped? People thought it's the end of Node. Yeah, I did see that, and it's Node's still going strong. However, many months later, I dropped the video on it when it first dropped. It did really well, to be fair. Well, I say it did really well. It did like a few thousand people watched it. It was good. A lot of people liked it, but it's just it wasn't for me. I did it just because it was hyped. South Park, it's a show. Yeah, I know what South Park is. You got Cartman and Kyle and Kenny. You kill Kenny, I can't swear, but yeah, you know how it is. You know how it is. Good show. Funny show. Oh, God. We have about 10-20 minutes left of this Q&A today. So fire your questions away. We should do some rapping on here. I'm not rapping, I'm lying. That's not going to happen. Not today, anyway. But yes, guys, fire away your questions. How is your Christmas period going to go? Are you guys celebrating Christmas? Some people don't celebrate Christmas, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Just, you know. Hey, D, what's up, man? Welcome back. I hope you're doing well, dude. I'm almost finishing a coding bootcamp. I hate some of the stack they require in order to graduate, but I still have to learn it, and it feels frustrating. I get that. The problem is some of the stack you don't actually want to learn, you don't care about, but you have to do it anyway because it coincides. It will help in the end, and it might help you understanding programming a bit better in some certain ways. Yesterday was the worst day. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, D. Which is your fave show other than anime? Oh, what do you mean other than anime? None. None. There is none. Anime is the only no. What do we have? Favorite show? Smallville was a great bloody show. The Flash is a great show. Brooklyn Nine-Nine is an absolutely amazing show. To be honest, I just watch anime nowadays. That's all I watch. And movies and sometimes other things. But yeah, that's it. Sorry for not coming. Hey, that's dude fine. That's dude fine. That's fine, dude. Oh my god, I'm becoming Yoda. Sorry for... how long do you work code in a day? Probably like 24 hours. No, like 16 hours most likely. I code pretty much my whole day. Take like 2 hours off. What is the fastest way to deal with form submission in HTML? Like, should you recommend to write? Wait, the fastest way to deal with form submission in HTML? I mean, you can just use a form. Forms can submit things as long as you have a function ready to catch it on another side. So you can use the form that submits that takes you to a thank you page. You can use a form that submits. You obviously need to have somewhere it goes to, so you can write a Node.js server, or you can use a simple PHP script, or anything like that. Just depends on what you're good with. Only dinner with my family. Only dinner with your family. Hey, that's awesome, man. Dinner is the best part of Christmas. I'm not going to lie. I can't wait. I've got my turkey already. Everything's all getting prepped today, ready for tomorrow to be cooked up and ate tomorrow. Yeah. How is your day? It's going good. It's going good. Whoa, 16 hours. That's pretty insane. Yeah, tell me about it. I dream in code, man. I see one new of Bootstrap 5. You see new Bootstrap 5? That's cool. Is it worth finishing watching The Office? Disclaimer, I've only watched a few episodes of that, and I didn't carry on. Not because it was bad, just because I have so much other things I need to watch first. Of course, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Have you asked me that already? I'm good, how are you? Netlify has an integration which makes it very easy to submit forms and store it. See, now that's what I like to hear. Netlify is bossing it. Good job, Netlify. Good job. ML roadmap, please. What does ML mean? Machine learning? Machine learning? If so, I can't give you that because I've barely dabbled in it. I've literally used it for games and nothing else. So can't really help. Sorry. But if it stands for something else like Firebase versus MongoDB, they're both different. It depends. Do you need a quick app? Then Firebase. If you have the time, energy, and the effort to build a full-on application, then probably MongoDB. Goals for 2021. Wait, you want my goals? All right, here we go. My goals for 2021. I have a book. I have them written down. Oh, that's nice. Wait, here we are. Goals for 2021. Are you ready? Look, here they are. All right, so goal number 1, I want to boost my YouTube channel. I want to be putting in a lot of effort to it and build a lot of videos. And come with that, I want to hit 100k subscribers by the end of 2021. That means I'm going to have to put in a lot of effort, and I know that, so that's going to happen. I want to recreate my blog, so I've already started, as some of you saw the video yesterday. So that is the second one. I want to build my blog again, so I can start posting my videos via my blog in a written format. I want to create a course. I want to create a paid-for course, a full-on, in-depth, long-ass course that hopefully gives you guys some better content than just my quick YouTube ones. Because the issue is, my YouTube videos, right? They're great, but because I don't make a lot of money from them, I can only do so much in a video. Whereas if I'm building a course and I'm going to make a bit of money from it, then I can actually invest more time into it. So it's an investment I'm willing to take, or risk. Create a SaaS. I want to create, just for a test, I just want to create a SaaS, a Surface as a software platform. So I want to create something just as a test, just to see how far you can get with it and see what we can build with it. I want to write my own ebook. I have a good topic and I want to write about it, so I think that's going to be it. I want to increase my salary, not my work salary, my overall yearly or monthly income to around 8,000 per month. £8,000. I want to become debt free, hence the £8,000 per month. And then I want to truly master Vue.js. I want to put in so much time to Vue.js because I really want to take it up a level to see how good I can get with Vue.js. And that is my list. Anyway, what are we looking at here? Mern stack roadmap, please. Learn Mongo, then Express, then React, then Node. It doesn't make sense completely wrong. I was going in the order of the Mern. I guess, I mean, you want to learn Mern stack, right? So you need to learn your HTML and CSS, right? You got to start with the basics. You want to then get into your server side. You need to understand technologies. You want to understand how HTTP protocols work, how all that work. It's just a basic, just so you have the knowledge there. Then you want to start up on your React. Once you've got a good knowledge of JavaScript, you want to start React or Node. You can choose either one to start with. It doesn't really matter. Obviously, if you start with Node, then you're going to be learning Express and Mongo at the same time. You want to push that together. You want to put that all together and work on that. You then obviously, and then React, or it depends which way you go, React to me, but obviously with React you want to put it in and put in effort. I can't really give you a full, I need to do like breakdown videos with infographics on screen so you can actually see what I'm trying to say, but yeah. React first, Angular, React, but I have been liking Angular recently, which is weird. I hated Angular back in the day. What is your favorite stack? Snack, I'm so hungry. Stack. My favorite stack is the Phenom stack, Vue, Express, Mongo, and Node, although I've been liking just using Nuxt.js with Firebase or Nuxt.js with a like serverless backend. I just like it. I think it's good. Hey, I saw that list on Twitter. Exactly, you saw that list on Twitter because you're following me, and that's the sort of content I put out on Twitter. Just, you know, boring stuff. What is your most not favorite stack? Whatever one has Angular in. I don't know. Mean stack. Why do... Hi, mate. Hi. How's it going, Diffianshu? So my name butchering is getting bad. I'm sorry. Why do some bootcamps still require Ruby Sinatra framework? Nobody cares about them. I don't know. I have no idea what that means. Do you have work today, or is today a work-free day? I am now free of work. It's free of work day. Free of work time. Free of work. Free of work. Excellent goal list. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I agree. And a depth course would be cool. Will it be stack or a particular technology? I don't know if I do. I don't know if I go like straight out with a Vue.js tutorial or a React one, or if I go in start at the basics more for JavaScript, project-based ones. So I want to teach people. As you guys know, I don't really do a basic course for anything. So I want to do I prefer how I learn was not from watching people saying this is how a function works, this is how a variable works. I learned by watching people actually make projects. So that's kind of how I teach. So when I learn, so that's kind of what I want to do, a project-based one. I want to do a video where it breaks down everything, kind of like the basics of whatever topic I'm going for. I'm not 100% sure yet again. And then I want to create maybe... Well, obviously break down, and then I want to create a project afterwards. I want to do like kind of breakdown just to get just some concept ideas. So showing you how to do specific things for certain components. Then we create a whole project. So we break it down in components, and then we build a whole project component-based sort of thing per the course. So that's kind of how I want to break down. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm actually going to be buying a lot of courses just to see how other people do it and see what people like and what people don't like as well. So just how it goes. And I'm not sure on what topic yet, to be honest. It depends. I might do a vote, as long as it's not Angular or like some other bad language. Sorry, I actually don't mind Angular. I just like throwing shade at it. Bro, I just started to learn Java. What do you think it's a good idea for 20? Do you think it's a good idea for 2020? It depends what you want to do, really. I'm not a Java fan. If you want to be an Android developer or something like that, then yeah, sure, great idea. Otherwise, I'm not sure. I don't know. It depends what you're building with it. It depends what your end goals are, to be honest. MySQL versus PostgresSQL. I've never used PostgresSQL, but so MySQL, you are the winner for that battle. We both share the mastering Vue goals for next year. Godspeed. Hey, I'll race you to the top. Okay, cool. Which is faster, Postgres or Mongoose? I don't know Postgres, so Mongoose, you are the winner of that battle. Winner! Will you put the course in Udemy? That would be awesome if it's okay with you. I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to post it yet, D. It depends on what the profit cuts are and what the shares are and stuff like that. I might even create my own platform just to host it. I don't know. It depends. I want to use something what people like, but I don't. I also want to. I want it to work for me as well, so I can then make the most profit back, so I can then pull it back into the channel. If that makes sense. It's kind of the whole idea. It's to make a bit of extra money, so I can put bigger courses out there and bigger, better content out there. I wish Flatteron heard your response. Thank you. Flatteron. Who's Flatteron? I have no idea who that is. What are you wishing for Christmas? My family to be happy, have a good Christmas, no arguments, no fights, and just, chill out. I hope everyone has a good Christmas, to be honest, but I know it doesn't really help for everyone. But that's kind of what I hope for. What tier are you listening right now? 2. 4. It sucks to be in tier 4, no pubs or anything for the New Year's, to be honest. Yeah, but at the same time, I'm not gonna lie, some of those people who are in the tier 4, most of the people pull it on themselves. Just because, not throwing shade at you or anyone else. It's just, I saw some videos, and there's a reason why people are going into tier 4. I'm just saying, people can't restrain from going outside or, mingling with a million people. Or wear masks. It's just simple stuff. But again, that's controversy, and I don't want to talk about that. But yeah, I live in tier 2 at the minute. Do you have, and I'm in tier 2 because I stay inside. I never leave my house. Do you have a Discord channel or other group? I do have a Discord channel, dude, and it's in the description of this video, so you can come and join us, say hello, and get involved with the community. Sales pitch, back now that I've set up my ring light for my stream layer. Hey, nice, dude. I'll try and pop by later if I can. Postgresql is a... Oh my god, I forgot time. Postgresql is a SQL database. Mongoose is an ODM for MongoDB. Yeah, I know what Mongoose is. I don't know what Postgres is. Postgres. Which is the best practice to integrate React and Django? I don't know. I've never really used the Django that much. So I don't know. Sorry. Tier 2 at the moment. Tier 3 on Boxing Day, I heard. Screwed Boxing Day. I'll have my turkey by then. Discord. Hey, thanks for D, I'll call you D. I'll just call you D. I don't know why I tried to pronounce your name. I'm bad at it. I'm bad at names. But yeah, no. Discord chat is now, the Discord link is now in the chat. Thank you. Subscribe. Wait. Follow. Become a friend, a member of the gang. The Potsy clan. The Pots clan. The Pots gang. The Potsy gang. What did we call ourselves again? The Wizards, JavaScript Wizards, the Wizards, coding wizards. Why do you love JavaScript so much? It's just fun. It's just fun. You can do almost anything with it as well. So like you can do, it's now server side. It's like I can use it for my bloody car. I can plug it into my bloody toy cars. I can plug it into like Raspberry Pis. You can build so much with it. It's just great. I like it. I like it a lot. It works very well and it's very easy to learn. It's like super easy. Do you plan your day? Sometimes, maybe. If I'm feeling it. It depends. I do plan my day. Like recently, I don't plan my day as such. I write down goals I want to achieve by the end of the day. And then I achieve them. Today, I have not written any goals because I'm going with the flow today. I wasn't even going to do the stream. It just happened. And boom, here I am. Bam, it's your boy Potsy here doing a stream for you guys. Can you make a tutorial on how to create your own CSS framework? I can because I've actually made my own. Not that you should because there's so many out there and they all do the same thing. But you can. And I will show you how you create your own CSS framework if you want to. I mean, I can do a whole CSS crash course, right? Show you all the concepts. I can show you how to build a grid system. I can show you how to build each different element, and then you can build using that, you can split it up into your own CSS framework and create it. There you go. Why are you not much interested in machine learning? I just don't care for it. It's too much effort. I like easy lives. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't want to put too much effort into something I'm not going to use on a regular basis. And machine learning, I probably will never use. It's just that. Do you watch videos to learn a technology or read documentation? I read documentation, but I also sometimes do watch a video or two. If I see a good video, I'll watch it, but most of the time it's documentation. Oh, making a CSS framework would be really cool. Yeah, that's good. It's a good idea. Oh, really good. Sorry, not cool. Yeah, we'll try one. We'll do one. We'll do some CSS. I won't do like a full-on how you make a CSS framework as such. Oh, maybe I could. Just do it. I mean, it would be clickbaity as hell. Everyone would click it. How about a front-end framework? Can you make one? What do you mean a front-end framework? Like JavaScript, or like React, or Do you mean like React or Vue? If so, I can, but it's pointless. It's been done so many times. And that would take a long time. That's not something I could do in a video or a course even. That would take a long time to build. It's like a full-on thing you have to build. Do you think using Bootstrap and Tailwind make your life more easier? Bootstrap, no. Sorry. I always hate on things. I don't use Bootstrap. I built my own version, which is so much better. But has the same syntax and it works. But, I mean, Bootstrap just isn't for me, man. Yeah, no, for Tailwind, I really like Tailwind. And it does make it easier, but also it makes it harder to maintain some things, if that makes sense. Like, especially when you're using Tailwind, because Tailwind, you have 100 classes, and you're like, why is the CSS broken on this? And you're like, press buttons. It's like, it's not working. Can't find. You have to find one specific class that's messed up, and it's a bit hard. I like it. It's cool. It's just I don't know how I use it cleanly. I like clean code, and Tailwind isn't clean. CSS framework idea is cool. Yeah, like React and Vue. Yeah, I can, but I don't want to really. Live Plus. Thank you. Bootstrap versus Material UI for React. I like Material UI. I do. I think it's cool. I don't like Bootstrap, so again, Material UI is probably my benefit, but I normally just, again, I don't know. I normally make my own stuff. I normally just write CSS from scratch, which takes so long, but I just enjoy it. I don't know. How to choose a proper technology stack for a startup? Again, it depends on the team. You need to speak to your team on that. If you start doing a startup, you want to make sure your team knows what they like. You want to make sure everyone's going to enjoy it. You don't want to choose something that's efficient and no one likes it, because else no one's going to be efficient. You need to make sure people are good at it. You need to make sure you've got the right mindset for it. It all just depends on your team and how you guys want to go about things. It's all different. Vue is more easy in real life. React. Vue is more easier than React. In my opinion, yes. What's the hype around Svelte? I don't know. I've used it once or twice, and I just think it's... I don't like it. I don't like it that much. It's all right. It's okay, but I just don't like it that much. Should I learn Vue or Angular when I know React? Yes, no. It depends. Maybe try them out. Give them a go. See if you like them. But if you like React more, then, go for it. What is your favourite editor? VS Code. What is your not favourite editor? Visual Studio. You've got VS Code, you've got Visual Studio Code, and you've got Visual Studio. I don't like Visual Studio. That's an IDE, to be fair. But also I like... I do like... blah, blah, blah. What's it called? VS Code. VS Code is my all-time favourite now. It used to be Atom before that, and Sublime before that. So it's just all changed. Everything changes. Things change. You could use Tailwind, VS Code, IntelliSense. I do. Yeah. Writing it's fine, but it's... And knowing why it does this fine, I know what all the commands do, all the things do. It's actually when you go back through. So I made a project in it, right, at the start of the year. And I had 3 months later, I had to go back and fix something or add some new parts. And I was just looking at the code and I was like, this is messy as hell. How do I get through this? Had to figure out everything. Again, I was like, oh, this is messy. This looks ugly. Oh, this code looks terrible. It just makes code unreadable, really. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I love Tailwind. It's a cool concept. And if you use it right and it's minimal, as long as it's not a massive project, it works perfectly. Why don't you do PHP tutorials? I want to. It's just I don't want to have to show everyone how to use MAMP and like how to actually set up your surfer, like an Apache surfer, because it's so much effort. Well, it's not. You just download MAMP, but it's also one thing I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'll do a thing. Catch you in a bit, dude. Going to grab a shower. All right. Enjoy your shower. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Don't forget your rubber duck. Wait, do you have a rubber duck in the shower? Probably not. But yeah, no. I would do more PHP tutorials. I mean, I'm proficient with it. I know how to use it. I could teach it. I just don't. I don't. Ionic or React Native for mobile apps? React Native. I liked Ionic back in the very long days, but I just haven't used it since. So React Native for me, mate. Hello, Mr. Tyler. Hello. How are you doing? Do you want to create your desk setup in 2021? I want to build a desk. I mean, I can't even show you my desk. Like, can I bring it? I can't bring it down. Basically, right now, I've got a couple of wires going across. I want to kind of go more wireless towards mouse. I want a wireless mouse. I want a wireless keyboard. I just want to get rid of as many wires as I can, right? And I want to build my desk as floating. I want to pull it and attach it to the wall, floating across. I want to get some LED strips. I want to get my monitors not on. I want to get a TV mounted on the wall, but I also need a window put in there. So I'm going to do it all up, and I'll maybe do like a video on it in the future. Oh yeah, people say you will get used to it when you use regularly. Yeah, you could, but again, it's just I don't know. For other people as well who need to maintain my code, I just don't think it's But if it's small app, yes. But if it's not, if it's big, then no. How do you think about a project? By have to eat. See you, D. I'm going to answer your question, even if you go. How do you think about projects? So I break it down to components. I try to break it down to the smallest possible piece and then choose the best language, the best components, how I'm going to build it, what's the best framework to use, what's going to be the best way to build this most efficiently. So that's kind of it. Just break it down in smaller pieces. Have you done a React Native stream? If not, what are you doing? I won't do a stream. I've done a video on it. There's a React Native video on my channel, but I haven't done a stream. But it's kind of old, so I might do a new video on it, but I probably won't do a stream on it. That would be a lot of effort on stream. When we inspect element of famous website like Facebook, Google, etc., why they have awkward class name in HTML, like some random characters like they're randomly generated normally, and they're probably just there for some sort of function in JavaScript. They probably have dynamic JavaScript that applies that so they can call it again later on, or something like that. I don't know personally, like this over. Yeah, I don't know. It just depends. I think they do it for specific reasons, so they can call things and they can use functions and stuff. If they need to do some animations, they can call that class dynamically in JavaScript and whatever. So I guess that's kind of why. I don't 100% know, but that's why I would probably do it. I'll come back in 5. I'm going to be gone in 5D, so peace out, dude. Have a good Christmas, man. Damn, Disraeli writes down all the questions. It's impressive how many questions here. I know, he's always here with questions. He's learning. He's building up himself. He's an absolute MVP, man. Alright, guys, this is the end of the stream anyway. I need to end this stream. I need to get back downstairs and get stuff sorted. There's a couple of bits in there to get sorted before Christmas Day. I gotta bake some cookies for Santa, man. Santa needs his cookies. Hey, man, I have some weird feelings sometimes. I love coding, but sometimes feeling like I do not want to code anymore. Bored. Is that normal? That's called burnout, and I have an article on that somewhere. And burnout is a horrible thing, and it makes you feel crappy, and it's not great, and then you want to stop coding, but you need to keep coding. It's a hard one, man. It is really hard. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream, dude. That's a topic I want to cover though in the future. Anyway, guys, have a Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a great Christmas, great festive period up until New Year. I should be posting a few videos post Christmas, but for now, tomorrow and that be nothing. I'm going incognito. I'm going off the grid, guys. But everybody, have a great Christmas. Have a great day. I hope you all get some great gifts, you enjoy some good food, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, just enjoy your day anyway. Have a nice day. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching this stream, getting involved with the Q&A. Don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys